Let's see how to lock your profile on Facebook for iPhone. You just need to come here and open the Facebook app. And here, either you go to profile and the three dots on the top, or you just come here to the three dots like myself. And from here, you can just come down and select settings and privacy. And from here, settings. And you see that you can control everything when you come back to audience and visibility. Let's say, for example, you can control how people find and contact you. Just tap on this one. And here you see different options. Let's say, for example, you want to control who can send you friend request. Right now I have everyone. So I can just select this one and choose friends of friends. So it's not available for everyone on Facebook. Then I come back. I can also control who can send you friend lists, who can see your friend list. So here you see the public option or just friends, some friends, specific friends, or only you. So just select this one, for example, just friends can see your friend list, or usually only me, right? So nobody else can see your friend list. You make it private. Then you just come back and you see also the option to control people, how people can find you via email address or phone number. Just turn this off if you want to, and nobody can find you. Like say, for example, you select here no one, so you are with your Facebook more private, right? And from here, you can also select if a search engine outside of Facebook can link to your profile. You just disable this one so nobody can find you anymore. Basically, you keep doing this for everything, and you can do also for posts, who can see your posts. You just come here and you can limit who can see your posts. You can do this also for stories. Just come here and keep changing everything the way you want, so you make it more private. And you can do this also for pages, reels, and profile tagging, blocking, and including active status. So here, for example, you can just disable this one so nobody's gonna see your active status on Facebook. So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can lock your Facebook profile and nobody can see you if you just keep changing anything here. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.